Hey guys, let's get right into it. We're going to discuss how to get rid of that pesky watermark on your TikTok videos to have the ability to re-upload them onto Instagram and other platforms. Okay, so fun fact, TikTok actually did a huge update about a month ago or 2 months ago that if you go to your drafts or whatever you're working on TikTok, you can actually now save whatever you are editing before you upload it, but it only works if it's before you upload it. So unless you forget or something, this kind of, so if you go to the bottom here, you can just click download save and it'll save without any watermark, just the video itself. The thing is, half the time I forget to save it before I upload it, and then I have to do this other way to get rid of the watermark, which is pretty simple anyway, but let's get into it. So let's pick a video from my current TikTok that's already uploaded. I'm gonna do this one about cinnamon rolls. Okay, so we're gonna go to the video itself. We're gonna save the video. So if you go to the three dots on the bottom, go to save video, and it's gonna save, just give it a second. And then, second thing you'll have to do is go to the three dots again and scroll over and it'll say live photo. You're gonna click that button. It's gonna save it as a live photo. So you're gonna have two files in your gallery, all right? Wait for that to upload. All right, so the key with this is now you have to go to your gallery, your phone, go to your gallery. The second video is your live one, and you're gonna click edit. You're gonna make that live photo a video. So you're gonna go to three dots and then push it as save as video. Give it a second to process, and then you're gonna have three videos now in your gallery. This is when you go over to CapCut, which is one of my favorite editing platforms. They're also linked with TikTok, so they make it very easy if you wanna do other things on there. Pass a million ads and do edit. Create a new project, and you're gonna upload the two. It's only gonna show you two videos of the three because one's a live photo, it's not a video. So just make sure you upload both at the same time. Add to. Go add, and it's gonna pull it up. So what you're now gonna do is tap on the video itself and go scroll over to the right and go to, where is it? Extract audio. So you're extracting audio from one video and then you're gonna be deleting the other video. So click the video again, click delete, and it's going to leave you with just one of the videos now, but the audio will still be on there, as you can see. So now if you notice, the TikTok was only in the bottom right corner. It's not all over the screen anymore. So the last thing you're going to do is tap that video again, go over to, where is it? Transform, crop. And you're going to click the 9:16. 9:16 is the standard form for TikTok videos sizing you want. You're going to click the 9:16 and then you're going to cover up that little TikTok watermark. And then I always center it a little bit because, you know, it makes it a little off-centered. And then click the check mark, and that's it. So as you can see in this video, there's no more TikTok watermark, and then you just upload it per usual. It's going to export and then you upload to any platform you want. I hope that helps, especially with expanding your social media. You should be using your videos on several platforms, and this is an easy way to do that. You need to make sure you don't have a watermark on your videos on separate platforms with different apps, because they're literally going to almost like ban your video, not promote it at all. They want you using their platforms to create video. So this is an easy way to bypass that. All right, I hope that helped. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.